Okay, so the next part is the tools panel. Okay. So the first tool that we have is the rectangular marquee tool. So I'll just clear the. Okay, so rectangular marquee tool, this one. This is the move tool. So in your book we have first the rectangular marquee tool. So this is the one, rectangular marquee tool. If we select this, and then you can see that we can select rectangular parts here. Okay, so we can select rectangular parts. So this is the rectangular marquee tool. So this is just for selection. We can just select it, then go to edit. Say I do cut. So this one is cut over here, and edit, paste. So you can see this is there. We can move it with the move tool. We can move this one now. So working with the photo, I'll show you afterwards. Now I'm just showing you the tools. So move tool, you understood. This move tool is required to move this one after you cut or paste, and this one is the rectangular marquee tool for selecting. If you, so here also you can see two layers have been created now. This is the background, and this is the top layer that we have pasted. If I remove this, then this is gone. Now if I press Ctrl Z, it will go to the previous thing. So now the cut and all has gone. It has become a single image again. This one, next one is the okay, move tool is the second one they have said. So I have shown you the move tool. Next is the lasso tool. So if we select this lasso tool, then what happens here is this is also selection tool, but it is a free selection tool. See, like this, you can select only the sword portion. Okay, this is a free selection tool. So as simple as that, this is the free selection tool. Next one is the magic wand tool. This one. If we select this, what is happening here? Say this part of the sword, everything is in red color. So if I just zoom it a little bit, if I take the magic wand tool and click anywhere in the red color, see all the similar colors will be selected. See, only the similar colors. If I click over here, see the similar red colors will be selected. Here also, say this one is there. If I click over here, the similar colors are getting selected. So this is the magic wand tool. If I click on this gray area, so all the similar gray colors will be selected. If I select this black area, then all the black area will be selected. Understood? So this is the magic wand. You will understand well when you do work with the image and use the tools. Now I'm just giving an introduction to the tools. Okay. Next is the crop tool. So this is the crop tool. So crop tool, this is very easy. This one came here. This everyone knows what is a crop tool. We have done in mobile phones and all. So if we select this, so selected image crop. So just cut the image. Okay. So that is the crop tool. Next is the slice tool. Okay, slice tool is not there and we don't use also. That is why it has been removed from the versions here. It is hidden over somewhere. We can find it again. So just skip the slice tool. You just see the definition. It creates slices of an image, like cropping the image, that part. Next is retouching tool. For retouching tool, we need an image to describe. Just a second, I'll download one image, then I'll show you. Okay, so I have taken one image over here. You can see that it is already photoshopped. So you can understand what the retouching tool can do. So this part of the image is Photoshop, this part is not. So we'll just select the, I'll show you how it is done. So the retouching tool, this one, we can just go to spot healing brush. Many type of healing brushes are there. So you can just go to spot healing brush. And this one is the size of the brush. We can change the size. See, if I increase the size of the brush is increasing. If I decrease, the size of the brush is decreasing. Okay, so this is the size, this is hardness. So you can understand how to, means hardness means it will remove the image spots very harshly. So I'll show you how. If I put it hardness to 100%, so you can see the images, say these spots are there. So if I click over here, just I have to click and see that spot is gone like this. You have to be very observant to see this. I'll zoom it again a little bit. Select the spot healing brush. So these images are there, the spots. You just click and the spots are gone. See. So obviously this is a time taking process. All the spots will be gone instantly. Very easy. You just need to click over there. So this image is for reference. That is why there are so many spots over here. But generally the spots are not so much. One or two pimples might be there. So you can just easily remove them. So if I keep removing like this, the whole face will become similar to this part. Now when we zoom out, you can see the difference. It has already changed. Here this part you can see all the spots are gone. Okay, this is one type of healing brush. There are many healing brush too. Say that was what healing brush. This one is the healing brush too. So this one, what it does is we increase the size and then we have to select a source. So for selecting the source, now listen carefully because you cannot see this one. We have to click on the Alt button on the computer screen. So if I click on the Alt button, see the cursor changed. So this will have to select a source. So this part of the image is clear. So this is the source. Now I'll just click over here. So the source is selected. Now I'll leave the Alt button and just draw over this portion. So now this is not done cleanly. So if you do it clean, easily, it will remove all the spots. If I select the Alt button of this skin tone here, and then I go over here and select like this. So I hope you understood. I'm not doing it perfectly, but you can understand that how powerful it is, how it can change the whole skin tone. Okay, this is the healing brush tool or the spot healing brush or retouching tool. Next is the brush tool. So for that we'll go over here and we'll select the brush. This is the brush tool. I'll select the brush. So similarly you can change the size of the brush, hardness of the color, and we have to select the color over here. So this is white color. Say I select the red color. Now if I draw, see, I can go. So the hardness you can understand over here. What is the hardness? So this is there, this image. Now if I select the brush tool, right click and I click the hardness to the lowest. The hardness is to the lowest. Now if I draw, see how it comes. Understood? The edges are not sharp. So this is because I've selected the hardness to the lowest portion. Same if I select the hardness to the highest portion, then the image will be, the edges will be very sharp. Understood? This is the brush tool.